Hello everyone, here we are going to continue with exercise 12.2 of the chapter Linear Equation in One Variable. We did till question number 27 in our previous video. Now we'll be doing question number 28. And in question number 28 we have a streamer goes downstream and covers the distance between the two ports in 5 hours, while it covers the same distance upstream in 6 hours. If the speed of the stream is 1 km per hour, find the speed of the streamer in the still water and the distance between the two ports. Let the speed of streamer be x and the speed of stream be 1 km per hour. Now, as we know, in the case of downstream, the speed of the streamer is added with the speed of stream as the streamer flows with the stream. And in case of upstream, the speed of stream is subtracted from the speed of streamer as it is moving against the stream. Now, it has been given that the distance between the two ports are being covered in downstream and upstream. In case of the downstream, it has been covered in 5 hours, and in case of the upstream, it is covered in 6 hours. But the distance is fixed between the two ports. So here we are going to use the logic for the distance. Very first of all, we will be calculating the speed of the streamer in upstream and downstream. The speed of streamer in upstream we are having x minus 1 km per hour, and the speed of streamer in downstream we are having x plus 1 km per hour. And now we know the distance equals to speed into time. For the case of upstream, the distance has been covered in 6 hours. So it is 6 into x minus 1 as time into speed, and for the downstream this is 5 into x plus 1. And here we have the equation. So very first of all, we are going to open the bracket. This will be 6x minus 6 equals to 5x plus 5. Put this on this side, and this will be equals to 6x minus 5x equals to 5 plus 6. And here 6 minus 5 is x equals to 5 plus 6 is 11. Speed of streamer will be 11 km per hour. Now he is asking for the distance between the ports. So we can find the distance with the help of this one or with the help of this one. So let's do by this one only. So distance between the ports equals to 6 into x minus 1. And here we are going to place the value of x as 11 minus 1, that is 6 into 10. And this will be 60 kilometers as answer. Now let's move to question number 29. Here in this question we have the distance between the two places is 350 kilometers. Two cars simultaneously starts from the point A and B towards each other, and the distance between them after 4 hours is 62 kilometers. If the speed of one car is 8 km per hour less than the speed of the other car, find the speed of the cars. Let the speed of the car A be x and the speed of car B be x plus 8 km per hour. As it has been given, the difference between the speed of both of the car is of 8 km per hour. So here we've got x and x plus 8. Now it has been given the position A and B are being separated by the distance of 350 kilometers, and the car A and B, they both are moving towards each other at the same time. Now they are covering entire distance and they are left with only 62 kilometers after 4 hours. This means they have covered 288 kilometers in 4 hours. Their resultant speed will be the sum of the speeds of both of the car as they are moving towards each other. So it will be x plus 8. Resultant speed as x plus 8, that is equals to 2x plus 8 as the both of the car moving towards each other. So it will be 2x plus 8 km per hour. And the time equals to 4 hours to cover the distance of 288 kilometers. We can write this one as speed equals to distance upon time. Here the speed is 2x plus 8. Distance will be 288 kilometer and the time is 4. Now cancel it out. This will be 7 and 2. So 2x equals to 72 minus 8. That is 64, and x will be equals to 64 upon 2. This will be x equals to 32. So the speed of car A will be 32 km per hour and the car B will be 40 km per hour as answer. Now let's move to question number 30. Here in this question we have 9% went to a hotel to take their dinner. 8 of them spent rupees 60 each for the dinner and the ninth person spent rupees 40 more than the average expenditure of all the 9. How much money was spent by all of them? Now let the amount spent by the 9% be X, and the amount spent by the 8% has been given to us as 60 each. Now here it has been given that the ninth person is paying rupees 40 more than the average of all of it. So according to question we have X plus 8 into 60 upon 9. This will give us the average of the total expenditure made by all of the 9 plus 40 will give you the value of the expenditure made by the ninth person. Now we're going to solve it, and here we will be having X plus 8 into 6, that is 48, and 0 upon 9 plus 40 equals to X. We'll be taking LCM now, and this will give you 9 as LCM. So X plus 480 plus 360 equals to X. Put the cross multiplication, and this will be X plus 840 equals to 9X. And then we're going to put all the variables in one side and all the constant on the other. So it will be 9X minus X equals to 840. That is 8X equals to 840. And this will give you X equals to 840 upon 8. And here X will be equals to 105. So total expenditure made by them will be equals to X plus 60 into 8. And here value of X is 105 plus 60 into 8 is 480. So this will be 585 rupees as answer. That's all for this video. Thank you.